Never risk drilling into a pipe or electrical when hanging a picture or a TV, and hit the stud every time. This is the Walabot DIY 2. It's a visual wall scanner that works with your phone to help you find the stud every time, but it also helps you find water pipes and electrical in the wall to help you avoid disaster. I have the DIY 2 Premium Bundle, which includes the Walabot wall scanner, protective case, and the magnetic holder to use it one-handed. You can use it with two hands, but it's easier to mark the center of studs with the magnetic holder. Setting up your Walabot is easy on iOS or Android. What you do to get started is you open up the app and it'll walk you through all the steps to get it installed. After the app is set up, it'll walk you through a few tutorial steps and you're ready to go. Next, turn on the power and attach it to the magnetic holder if you received one. Each time you use the Walabot, you'll calibrate it to the wall since drywall can vary in thickness and density. This is the plumbing access panel behind my bathroom to demonstrate the location of this outlet, a couple of water pipes, and a wooden stud. These pipes are copper, but it also works on PEX up to about 4 inches deep into the wall. When you find a stud, it'll show you the center so you can hit the stud every time, and it'll help you make a decision to avoid hidden plumbing and wires. Wooden studs show up on your screen as orange, metal studs show up as gray, and water pipes and electrical show up as purple. Now how cool is that? I found this to be a cool and extremely useful tool to help me avoid disasters of drilling into water pipes or electrical wires in the wall. Here I'm tracking this outlet and I found that it travels up about 8 inches into the wall and then to the right to this switch. Lastly, I tried the expert mode, which displays the raw radar data from inside the wall, revealing complex overlaid and intersecting objects. In this image, we show the 2 water pipes running parallel up the wall. Expert mode takes a little bit of practice, but it'll help you by placing text on the screen to indicate what objects are inside the wall. It's easy enough to switch back and forth between images mode and expert mode. Now you can give yourself a little bit of assurance that you'll be safe when hanging anything on the walls. Check out the Walabot DIY 2 with expert mode on walabot.com, and as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.